So yung puno ay critically endangered yan. So may iba't ibang level ng pagkaubos ng puno. Nandun na siya sa malapit na talaga maubos. Parang Philippine Eagle.
Aside from the very tree planting, nakaka-enjoy kasi may pa-hiking pa, may mga nadaan ng river. Tapos the very nature, nakaka-relax. Pag na-unwind ako from office work.
Sa pagtatanim naman, fulfilling siya actually. Kumbaga, yung tinatanim mo, hinuhope mo na mabuhay siya in the near future. Sana nga mabuhay yung mga tinanim nating Philippine teak.
Taga dito kami sa Batangas, di namin alam na meron palang ganito kaganda sa Lubok. So, napakaganda pong experience.
Pag nag-volunteer yung mga employees, definitely, they feel that they're part of the company and the business.
Hindi lang sila focus on more business. Nagre-reach out tayo sa ibang mga lugar para lang makatulong.
So thank you. We learned something new today. We are doing this in the name of our sustainability commitments. Dahil nga Pasko, no, we give back to the planet just as much as the planet is giving to us.
Ilan lang yung organization nagsa-celebrate ng year-end tree plant. Napakaganda na parang we'll end the year na magtatayong tayo. Not only saving the trees, yung carbon footprint natin, mabawasan.